This is instructions video for the fourth week of learning for differential equations class. So we're continuing on with our differential equations readings in the textbook and the problems. For this week we're exploring the first order homogeneous differential equations. So after you read our textbook, watching the first video would be pretty useful. This goes into the readings verbally, and the second video, the integrating, is on the integrating factor. This is optional, but this really just shows why we use the integrating factor and how it has come to our understanding. So this is just a proof part that if you want to understand more, this would be a good one. I recommend all students to watch the third video because this goes over some of the ODE problems similar to our textbook problems. Okay, so those are the three videos that I found. It would be a good resource, and for this week's assignments we have the discussion board. So please answer me two questions. First question is in one word. How would you describe exam 1 from last week? Was it difficult, fair, or easy? And second question is what was most challenging about exam 1? And you can tell me anything that you've found to be a challenge so that I can reflect and make it better for the second exam. Okay, so homework is posted. Both of these homework problems and the discussion board is due on September 20th, Sunday by 11:59 p.m. And I've also uploaded the homework 4 preview video. This goes over some of the homework problems as well as the some hints. Okay, if you have further questions, please feel free to email me, even with the homework problem that you want to go over, or if you're still confused about some of the things that the textbook talks about, then we can set up a time so that I can answer your questions.